Hymenopter Air Flight Bravo Echo Echo 719er to Control Tower. Request mission assignment and destination coordinates.
Control Tower to Hymenopter Air Flight Bravo Echo Echo 719er. As always, thank you for your continued service. Your mission, should you decide to accept it, is to find and retrieve valuable resin needed for the survival of our colony. As always, your mission is not only dangerous, but also highly classified. Should you or any of your Forager force be caught or killed, Mission Control will disavow any knowledge of your actions. This communication will self-destruct in 5 seconds.
Mission confirmed. Will accept for the good of the colony. Request taxi.
Clear to taxi. Runway 73 east, then hold.
Holding position short of runway 73. Request takeoff.
Control to Hymenopter Air Flight Bravo Echo Echo 719er. Wind is northeast at 15 knots. Runway 73 cleared for immediate takeoff. Good luck. We really need those resources. Your mission critical. Fly safe.
Prepare for takeoff. We'll contact you again once airborne.
Clear to climb to 700 feet, maintain altitude. Proceed direct heading north-northeast. You're on your own. Good luck and may the Force be with you.
Roger that. 719er climbing to 700, heading north-northeast. Over. Goodbye. Co-pilot, we are off. Flying time is approximately 5 minutes. Please keep legs and arms inside the cockpit at all times and keep your seatbelt securely fastened. As co-pilot, it is your responsibility to record and report any conditions detrimental to our mission on your post-flight mission log and submit to Control Tower. Do you copy? This should be a piece of cake. Our target is right around here someplace. Looking for designated sap from the tree in front of us. Workers need this for hive construction. Oh, I see it. Dead ahead. Maneuvering closer. This is not working. I'm a bit shaky. I hate to say this, but we have a mechanical issue. My internal fuel gauge is either malfunctioning or my fuel is critically low. I'll recheck and confirm. I was afraid of that. I am really feeling faint. Like all my energy is gone. We cannot complete mission. We'll be lucky just to make it back to base. I have been hearing reports of varroa and tracheal mite epidemic in the hive. Not yet confirmed, but a major symptom is blocking oxygen intake, thus reducing fuel reserves. This could be our problem. It is a medical concern for the whole hive, especially critical on Forager flights. Abort mission. Return to base ASAP. Retain as much altitude as possible. Cut throttle to 1/4 speed, 70 wing beats per second. We may have to coast in for this one. We'll contact Control Tower. Oh, pull up! Pull up! Mayday! Mayday! Situation critical. Fuel supply exhausted. Instrument panel is out. I am trying to reorient now. Looking for base, but it is a bit fuzzy. Seek emergency return and land.
We have you on radar now. Runway 73 east-northeast has been cleared. Stay on current bearings. Looking for visual. Can you describe situation?
Roger that. Lost fuel. Possible parasitic mite contamination. We are trying to limp in.
Roger that. We have you on visual now. You're flying very erratically. Try to steady out. Good luck. Please file incident report to Command Center immediately upon touchdown.
The solution east northeast has been vacuumed. You are clear to land.